Did you know gardening can lower dementia risk by 36% and improve sleep by 42%? Research shows that tending to plants reduces stress, boosts serotonin, and enhances physical fitness. For those over 60, it's a powerful tool for longevity. Sunlight exposure increases vitamin D, while the rhythmic tasks of digging and planting provide moderate cardio. Start small. Even a few pots can transform your well-being. Before you dig in, gather the right tools. Ergonomic trowels reduce strain, while a sturdy watering can ensures consistent moisture. Studies suggest that using knee pads prevents joint stress, key for gardeners over 60. Pro tip: label seed packets clearly to track progress. A 2025 study found that organized gardeners report 30% higher satisfaction levels. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil or mint for quick wins. Healthy soil contains 45% minerals and 5% organic matter. Amend clay or sandy soil with compost for better water retention. Colorado State University research shows mulching reduces evaporation by 70%. Wear gloves to safely handle soil rich in Mycobacterium vaccae, the happy bacteria that boosts immunity and serotonin. Tip: test soil pH with a kit. Most vegetables thrive at 6.0 to 7.0. Plant seeds at depths 3 times their size. Tomatoes need 1/4 inch, sunflowers 1 inch. UCLA research found that touching soil barehanded safely increases exposure to immune-boosting microbes. For arthritis-friendly gardening, use elongated handles to reduce bending. Pro tip: soak pea seeds overnight for faster germination. Studies show gardeners consume 40% more vegetables when growing their own. Water deeply but infrequently. 1 inch weekly prevents shallow roots. Drip irrigation reduces waste by 50% compared to sprinklers, says Aurora Water Research. The sound of watering can lower cortisol levels by 20%, per a 2024 study. Morning watering prevents fungal diseases. Tip: place a rain gauge to track natural precipitation. Overwatering is as harmful as drought. Seedlings emerge in 5 to 14 days. Keep soil consistently moist during this critical phase. Cornell research shows talking to plants may accelerate growth by 20% through increased CO2. Protect sprouts with cloches from late frosts. Fun fact: sunflower stems grow toward the sun at 1 inch per day. This stage builds confidence. 87% of novice gardeners report increased motivation after seeing first growth. Prune in the morning when plants are hydrated. Clean cuts heal faster. Studies show proper pruning increases yields by up to 35%. For joint comfort, use ratchet pruners requiring 30% less grip strength. Remove yellowing leaves to prevent disease spread. Pro tip: compost healthy trimmings to complete the nutrient cycle. Gardening journals show consistent care reduces plant loss by 60%. Bees pollinate 70% of food crops. Plant lavender or coneflowers to attract them. Research shows gardens with pollinators have 50% higher yields. Avoid pesticides. Even organic neem oil harms beneficial insects. A Smithsonian study found gardens support 30% more butterfly species than lawns. Tip: install a shallow water dish with stones for bees to drink safely. Harvest vegetables at peak ripeness for maximum nutrients. Tomatoes should pull away easily. Johns Hopkins research shows gardeners meet 150+ weekly exercise minutes effortlessly. The act of harvesting triggers dopamine release, enhancing mood. Pro tip: use scissors for herbs to avoid bruising. Homegrown produce contains 40% more antioxidants than store-bought, per a 2023 study. Sharing garden bounty strengthens social ties. A Mayo Clinic study links this to 30% lower depression rates in seniors. Teach grandchildren to plant seeds. Intergenerational gardening improves family bonds. Consider donating excess to food banks. 1 in 6 seniors faces hunger. As you complete this cycle, remember, every seed planted is an investment in a healthier, happier future.